In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an APA title page for a college level paper. Please note that there are different rules for professional writers. This is just for student writers. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the top of the document here, and this can either be a new document or a document where you've already started typing an essay. And at the very top, you're going to double click and get into the header area. And you're going to add a page number by clicking page number on the left hand side there, and we're going to do top of page, and plain number 3 will give you the look that you need, and this will create a 1 on page 1, a 2 on page 2, and so on. And you are done with that, so you can double click out of the header area. You don't need to include a running head or an all caps shortened version of the title like you did in previous versions of APA. And then you're going to center justify. So if you click the center justify button, and you will type your title for the essay, whatever that title actually is, you will type it in. And note that you should use title case, which means you should be capitalizing most words. The exception would be conjunctions like and or, articles like the or a and an, unless that is the first word of the title, and prepositions, lowercase. All right, so you've got your essay title, and you're going to hit enter twice, and then you're going to type your name. And at this point, you can bold the essay title. So highlight the essay title and click bold. And you want to leave the rest of the content on the title page not bold. So you put your name, I'm a good student, hit enter, and you're going to put the department or the part of the college that you're writing this for. So for example, general education department. And then you're going to put the class, and so you put the class number, and then you're going to put the working title. So for example, writing and research. So you've got the number, the code, and the number, and then also the title of the class. Make sure these are accurate and correct. You don't want to make simple mistakes here that some instructors could take points off for. Then you're going to put the instructor's name. So if they're a doctor, make sure you put Dr. so-and-so. If they're not a doctor, you can just put their name. So for example, I am not yet a doctor, working on it. So you can put my name, and to clarify what the role is, you can put instructor. And then you're going to hit enter and put the date that you are submitting it. So not the date it is or was due, but the actual day that you are submitting it. And that is all of the content that you need on the title page. You do need to get this a little bit lower on the page. It shouldn't be at the very top. So if you go to the essay title again and hit enter twice, it'll give you about an inch of space between the top of the page and the title. And that's what you're looking for. Once you're done with the title page, you need to get to the next page, page 2, which is where the essay actually starts. So you have two options. You can either insert a page break by going to the top, insert, and then page break, or you can do what I do, is just hit enter until you get to the top of page 2. And you know you'll get to the top of page 2 because it will give you the new page and the number 2 in the upper right hand corner. And at the very top of page 2, so make sure there's no extra line spaces between the top of page 2 and your title, you're going to write the essay title again, and it needs to be exactly the same as what was on the first page. So whatever the title is, exactly the same. If you have a title and a subtitle separated by a colon, great, but it needs to be exactly the same. Then you hit enter, and we're going to left justify, and we're going to start writing our essay. So you would hit the tab button, which indents the first line of the paragraph a certain amount of space. And this is where you start writing your essay. This is your introduction paragraph, and so on. So you continue typing, or if you've already written your essay, you just move it up or copy and paste your essay to immediately after the title here. Note that just like on the first page, we're going to bold the title and make sure the rest of the essay is not bold. So highlight the essay title and bold it, and then the rest, notice not bold. And then when you're done with your first paragraph, your introduction, you hit enter. If it automatically indents the first line for you, which it usually learns to do that after the first couple paragraphs, do not indent it again. However, if it does not learn to do that, note that it is fully flush left here, and you do need to indent it. So at the beginning of that line, you would hit tab again, and you would continue writing your paper. And the very last thing that we need to do is make this double spaced at 2.0 with no extra line spacing between your paragraphs. So we're going to actually select the whole essay. So you can either hit Control A or just use the mouse, your cursor, and select it all. And you can go to the paragraph up here and either click on this to open the whole menu, or do it one step at a time, where you click on this up-down arrow and you click 2.0 double spacing. However, you would want to go back and click line spacing options, or again, just open this whole paragraph menu up. Make sure it's at 2.0, but this after here, the new versions of Microsoft Word, for some reason, put extra spacing between line breaks, and there shouldn't be any for APA style. So you need to change the before and the after to make sure it's like the before at 0 point. So you will hit 0 and hit OK. And then just double checking, make sure everything's okay on your title page here. Looks good. And then on page 2, if you've been, changing to 2.0 after the fact, make sure you move your essay title so that it's at the very top of page 2. So you might need to backspace or delete some lines if you change it afterward instead of doing that first. It's up to you. You can do that as the very first thing or the last thing. And that's how you create an APA title page and start formatting the essay for the rest of the pages that you need. And note, again, you can do this first as the very first thing you do before you start writing your essay, or you can have your essay already written in a draft form somewhere, and you can create your title page and then copy and paste your paragraphs in, or take the existing document and add the title page and correct the formatting later. It's up to you.